Okay, so hello everyone. I am again here with the one more example based on dictionary. So the question is we have to combine two dictionary. That is one thing. And second thing is obviously if the keys are common in both the dictionary, then we have to add the values also. So for example, if I have a D1 is equal to one dictionary where we have first one A and the value 100 for example, then we have B and value for example 200, and then we have C and value for example 300. And obviously we have to combine two dictionary, that means we require one more dictionary. So okay, and I will change some values like 300, and I will change the key also, D and value also. Okay, so now we are ready with our at least two dictionary. So how we can start, and also here we have to change the name, so D2 it will be. Okay, so we will have one dictionary which is initially empty, D3, because we are going to store our final answer in D3. Okay, so what we will do, first we will write D3 dot update. So it has obviously inbuilt method update. So it will first update with D1. Then we will write D3 dot update, and we will write D2. So now it will update with the D2. But before we go ahead, let us check the output actually. Print D1. Print D3 because we have stored in D3. Okay, now here it will give you the output of update after D1, not D2. So in D3, what you will find, that we will check. First of all, we will remove this line. Okay. Yes, A100, B200 and C3. Okay, now I will write D3 dot update D2, and I will write print, and I will write D3. Okay, and also I will check one more time. So now I will get two output actually. Okay, see, earlier it is normal A100, B200. Okay, fine. But now if it is same key and using update, it has taken new value of A, new value of B, and obviously C is already there, and D. So in this we have now A300, B200, C300 and D400. We are simply going to use for loop, and we know one inbuilt method of dictionary items function. So for I comma j, because for key and value in D1 dot items function, because that is inbuilt function. Same way we will have one more for loop for the second dictionary for x comma y in d2 dot items function. Okay, and then what we are checking, if keys, that means for d1 keys in I, and for d2 keys are in x, if I equal to x. Obviously if they are same, then we obviously storing our answer in D3. So D3 of that key, that means D3 of I, will be equal to addition of this value, that is J, plus this value, that is Y. And obviously if they are not same, then do not add anything, but already we have updated D3. So now I will write print, and I will write D3, and first of all we'll remove this line also, and we will remove this line also, so we get only one print statement. That is one thing. And what we are expecting in the as an output, same key, so A and 400, same key, so B and 400, not common, so C 300 and D 400. So total we are expecting 4 elements. Okay, let's check the output. See, A 400, B 400, C 300 and D 400. This is how easily we can combine two dictionary, and also we can add common keys values. Thank you everyone.